it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Solo Leveling Season 2, episode number 13, the finale episode. The finale is finally here, and I'm sorry for this delay, sorry for being late to this reaction. I went on a unplanned trip, so I could not cover it. But I am here now, and I successfully avoided all the clips on the internet of the finale so that I can give you the authentic reaction. So here I am, and I can't wait anymore for this episode. So without wasting much time, without any discussion, let's get to the reaction. Yeah, the Jeju Island arc is finally over, and she is dying. Wow. Okay. So wow. Before using his power, maybe he will. What's he doing? I don't remember it actually. I read the manhwa, but I forgot most of the things. What? Hole? Oh, okay, it's not Shay's body. I got scared for a second that it was Shay's body. It is Beru's? Oh, wow. Okay, he's trying to extract. No, it's not Beru. It's Healer. S-Rank Healer's body. Oh, I got it. I remember it now. He's going to use the S-Rank Healer's power to heal Chai. Of course. So logical, man. And I got excited about the cliffhanger. Okay. Wow, yeah. Smart. I was not even smart enough to predict that. Oh, yeah, the Japanese hunters, yeah. Huh? New species? Yeah, wow, they only got to know now. And yeah, that plan of saving Chawei by extracting S-Rank Hunter Healer. Brilliant. Oh wow, he's controlling his friend. Man, this is going to hurt him. Use my power. Wow, okay, so he can hear the voice of the dead. Again, as a necromancer, of course, but there it is. Right, yeah. I didn't observe that. Yeah, he did. The Sanjinu did not even give him the order. What will happen? Right. Oh, yeah, his wish was not to fight, right? But man, S-Rank Healer is a great asset. Oh wow, is he really going to? I did not know that he can cancel the extraction. This is new. Again, of course, I knew that, but I don't remember this. A final goodbye. This time a better one. This was nice. And this is going to send some ripple effects throughout the globe. Yeah, man, a big hit to Japan, sadly. Sad. He was scheming behind the Korean S-Rank hunters, trying to use them as bait or something. Wow, the ants are still alive. I mean, fighting. Yeah, why are they still fighting? Okay, so the arc is not over yet. Yeah, that's dangerous. What's Sanjinwoo is doing? What is he doing? Where is he? Wow, one-man army. Man, her wish was gone. Like, again, hopefully it's not a spoiler, but like Toji, is that his name? Toji? Not. I'm talking about Megumi's father. I'm very bad with names. Sorry. Again, animators going ham. Nice. Wow. Okay. So what's he going to do? He's leveling up so fast here. 100. There it is. Century. Shadow Monarch.
でもなすごいオーラを放ってる
Wow. Even in death.
な起きろ
Ooh. Yeah, of course. Of course, that's what I thought he was trying to do first. Can he? Is he able? Of course, he is able to. He literally was dominating him. Not. No, I don't think so. What was that then? What? Why this extra theatrics for this extraction specifically? Wow,
失敗した
so beautiful.
だろ
Why are they lingering too long? Again,
それじゃあ次は
I'm amazed by my. Okay. Huh? It can
俺
speak!
が喋ったのか
The shadow can speak also, of course.
喋れない
Similar to the ant.
だけ
He's still going about king.
初めて見る投球だ喋れるのは投球が違うせいか
Oh wow, okay.
俺にしたって
So this is some new rank, general rank, huh?
それでも俺
Well, you did it with everyone. Why are you questioning this time this guy? Maybe because he can speak and tell him his feelings. Yeah, there seems to be a huge amount of personality left when they are extracted.
王だ
Wow, okay. Now he is named. That's what I was trying to think. Why were we calling him Beru
起きろ
through last 3 episodes?
海上部隊が突破されたが
Who?
ここが最終防衛
I just realized, did he use Arise on all those ants? Wow, he's going to be having such a big army now then. Brave hunters, huh?
まだそんなに残ってんの
They are having a chat
数
here.
を減らしてくれるか
Wild. Where is his ant army? Nice, that guy
よしいいぞ
from the first season.
強いな一体ずつ確実に倒していけばいい連携を密にして
And he is going to be so confused or surprised when he sees Sanjin Woo.
これは一体
Who did this? Is it Sanjin Woo? No, Beru, of course. I thought Sanjin Woo made a special appearance for this guy. I mean.
水島さん
Oh wow, she clocked in. She understood what's happening. Oh, that's cool. Helicopter and magic together. Modern and mystical.
良いな空中にあっては我々では
The storm is coming, but Beru is here. Wow, yeah, they are going.
最後まで彼に助け
Okay, I thought that Beru did it. No, the dragon did it.
あとは脱出
So epic, man. He's aura forming again.
島からチリジリに逃げ出したアリたちは、多くのハンタ
Hunters
ーたちによってその大半が食い
Oh
止め
yeah, of course they did
それ
their
に日
half,
本土への被
what
害
they
が
could,
最小限に抑えられた
not to put them down.
国内 S 級ハンターと高坂ハンターは
コーマ
病院へと搬送
Even after S rank hunter healing.
多くの犠牲を払うことになった戦いであったが当該に溢れようと
Beru did a number on her, man.
未然に防ぐこうして第4次カナン島レイドは
Is a
我々の
success.
勝利で幕を閉じた
Nice. Now the arc ends. And now they're going to set up the next season, huh?
この国まで残党どもがおいでなすった
Oh, and still escaped, huh?
次期射程圏に入ります
待機中の魔法系ハンターに伝達
Where is this? Japan?
いや待て我が国の英雄どもが体をほぐされたいようだ
Who is this now?
来た来た
He is aura forming too.
少しは体を動かさないとな一匹残さず海に沈めてや
The
る
swords, man, that's look. Oh, the holding stance, cool. Nice. So is this USA? What is this? China?
朝子供じゃなくてあの黒い槍であれば
を弔う慰霊碑が建てられ、
Wow.
たくさんの人々が参列に来ています。
Things are moving fast.
レスキューハンター水島の
It's like we are running through the montage.
今回のレードにおいて抵抗はなかったとも言われています。
Of course.
一部では英雄とも評され
一方で彼の動向には不審な
Questionable?
最初からそう出さずに済んだのではとの批判的な
Actually true. A little bit true. Little bit. But justifiable. Of course, he wanted to spend time with his family and he didn't know it was going to be that difficult.
この悲劇に終止符を打ったのはあなた
Even in this real life, also people were hating on him on the internet. Even me too, of course. At first, I didn't know why he arrived so late. Che, she woke up. But yeah, a little bit, man. Of course, so many people died.
4時間南東レイドにおける
It feels bad.
ハンター協会の代表として駆けつけること
And the animation is like the colors are so bright right now. After that gloomy death,
運命
everything.
のハンターと我が国の多くの命を救う
Wow.
わかりました
He's going to take up
それで今後はどのように
on that offer in the future. When they are setting up something.
ものもいるでしょう
He has to join
そ
a.
れを静観するわけにはい
Club.
かないのですそこであなた
He was avoiding it for this long.
水地のハンター
He's going to start his own club, maybe?
自分の
So not guild. I mean, of course. Again, maybe it was my good guess, or maybe I am just remembering things of what I read.
どうでも大事な仕事や
Of course. Oh no! Are some alive? Something bad is going to happen here. Nice. Who is this? Oh no! Massacre. He's looking at him. What? Is he half animal?
なんけどここは許可なく
What is this? Who? Yeah, who was that? Oh, wow, the demons are coming out.
ところで要は済んだ
Wow, things are ranking up. The stakes are higher now, huh?
一人はここに来て
Did he just open a portal just like that?
関わりたくないということだ関わりたくないということ
They are talking about Sanjinwoo,
あ
right?
るいは予定通り開始する
Hunt?
変更は
Man, I can't remember anything, man. This character design looks cool. He reminds me of Craven.
あえて面倒なことする必要もないからそれにして
Even he opened a portal.
あの女が見れば騒ぐ
Woman? Where is Sanjinwoo's father? Of course. I was just saying. Oh, this was not planned. I just remembered him by seeing that Craven type of guy. So Sanjinwoo's father is here finally. Again, that was not planned. Pure coincidental.
許可をもらっ
Oh, that kid, right? The teenager, sister's friend or something. He can fly, right?
たはい後藤ですギルドの件で
What? Gogine?
それとは別件
Who is that? I don't remember.
高速道路の先
B 級には時間がかかりそう
That's why the
に来
traffic.
ればそのゲートに
And hopefully they will show the reunion between Sanjinwoo and his father. Come on, do it.
ゲートを閉じに来た
Man, he's wearing suits. He's looking good. Going into the fight with in suit. Red gate again. Of course.
いやここ
Come on.
絶対にレッドゲートだ
Did they trap him, those two guys?
来たのは出口くべきだったな
Nice. But the time, anyway, he won't be late if he defeats them properly.
この程度ならそこまで時間もかからないだろう
Is this going to be just a throwaway gate? Just to hype up Sanjinwoo? And end this season? Again, what's his father doing? His father was warning us about something, right? Nice montage of all the all of his army. Maybe my thumbnail?
さっさと片付けてやる
Nice. Yeah, so his father was warning us about some great danger. Maybe those two guys are part of the danger. They were talking about some woman.
私はまだまだ未熟です
Yeah, man, she got messed up with just one hit.
彼は違った
Okay, oh, maybe thumbnail.
私はあの人に追いつきたい。
そう
Oh,
That's
yeah.
nice.逆転
These two guys did not meet Sanjinu, right? I thought they were going to meet. Come on.
それでも何匹いようとも己をはるか
It would be nice seeing them meet after so long, after this transformation and everything.
家族の信念を貫くため存在を証明するため
Thumbnail.
運命に抗うため
Father.
ハンターはただ狩り続ける
Wow. Already the gate is
ま
done.
だ誰も
Too many great characters that we are going to encounter in the next season. Wow, the army he has built. Wild. Thumbnail? I do remember this panel
ドイツだ
from Manwa. Well, guys, the episode ended there. I expected maybe a post-credit scene or something, but the second half of this episode was basically a post-credit scene for the next season, completely setting up the next season and everything. So yeah, post-credit scene was not necessary in the hindsight, but again, amazing season, nicely adapted again, brilliantly adapted. We had such a great moments in this season, great hype up, and Solo Leveling finally reached the global scale that I was anticipating it was going to reach. But because like in the first season, I did like not many people are talking, but this season maybe like it tapped into the zeitgeist, and all of my colleagues, all of even new anime watchers got into watching anime through Solo Leveling. So yeah, and again the hype up season, the Jeju Island arc, which was again very big part of my school life, not school life but intermediate life, and intermediate I mean 11th 12th, when I was actually preparing for the exams to take off my stress. I have told this story in previous reactions too, but just to reiterate, as this is a finale reaction. So yeah, it played a great part in relieving my stress, and I used to look forward for every chapter to be released, and Jeju Island arc was around that time, and I don't, as I said, due to my great memory loss power, I forgot most of the things that happened in this manhwa, most of the characters or things that happened, but I just remember the emotion or the excitement that I felt while during the watching Jeju Island arc, me and my friends discussing, getting hyped up about Sanjin. Like I was at the correct age when it was not too cringe or not too hyped up. Like it was like the manhwa was made for me. At that moment, I needed that. I didn't need any mind-bending psychological type of anime or even romantic anime. Like I needed that hyped up aura and basically what I call as Chota Beam of anime type of anime. If you know, if you're Indian, you would get that reference. But I enjoyed this, man. So I was looking forward to the anime adaptation since those days, since 5 to 6 years, and it's finally here, and it touched all the points that I could even imagine, I could even dream of. Again, the recent manhwa readers, I saw like many of the comments, like few of them were disappointed by this adaptation, like it was not looking like this or it was not looking like that. Again, I don't know how true is that, because I don't remember much of the manhwa. Like I just even during watching the anime, I just was getting some glimpses of from my memory. So I don't know about that, but whatever expectations and dreams that I had that I remember that I had while reading that, it clearly fulfilled it. It exceeded it actually. The beautiful animation that they showed, that the animators put the effort in, that we can clearly see, and the memes behind that originated from Sanjinu's aura farming and all those things and everything, man. It was wholesome, it was action packed, it was colorful, it was everything that I could ask from a power fantasy anime. So yeah, guys, it was nice, and again it played another important aspect in my channel growth, channel journey. Like many people joined me in this journey while I was reacting to this season. So welcome guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. I'm sorry, like even though I tried, but throughout this season's reaction, I could not consistently follow a schedule. Like I had many delays, but even then, you guys have been supporting me, have been coming back to my reactions each and every week. So thank you so much for that, and thank you for the new joinees. I will try to keep a consistent schedule from here onwards. I know I have been saying it, but I force myself more. I am learning from my mistakes whenever this is stopping me from maintaining a clear schedule. I am trying to remove that, and yeah. So again, I am passionate about this, and I get so excited, and I feel so happy whenever I read your comments, whenever you guys interact with me. So please guys, please comment down in the comment section. It's free to do. I hope you guys do it. I really enjoy interacting with you guys, discussing with you, discussing my views with you, and learning from you guys. Whatever I missed in this episode, whatever I overlooked or basically misunderstood in the episode, you guys correct me all the time, and I appreciate it every time. So thank you guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this season as much as I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode and season. And if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe, and push the notification bell. And again, please comment down in the comment section, interact with me. Like you guys can recommend me animes to watch, your favorite animes, any what do they call, like non-mainstream animes, any niche animes, which are your favorite. Like I have watched around 150 animes, so I'm not any noob, but there are still so many great stories. So yeah, please comment down below, and I will try to make some video essays too. That's what I'm planning. Not only reactions, video essays, reviews. I tried reviews for few of the early episodes of this season, but it got a little bit difficult for me to edit all those things. But again, as soon as I get time, I will get on it. So if you're interested in that, please again push the notification bell, and if you have not done it yet, please subscribe too. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for joining me in this journey, continuing along with me in this journey. I hope you guys keep doing that. With that being said, again, finally, thank you for watching, and I'll meet you guys again. Sorry, not before closing this video. I just want to say that I have decided that I'm going to react to the beginning after the end anime that's starting in April. So I have decided that the next anime I'm going to react is that. I heard a lot great things about that series. Basically, like it's a very popular light novel. If you don't know about it, my friend has been raving about it. The people have been raving about it. If you don't know, I am a I'm a big fan of Mushoku Tensei Jobless Reincarnation. It is my number 2 all-time favorite anime. I will go into it some other time if you are confused about why am I supporting that controversial anime or something. Maybe I will make a video about that. I have a lot to speak about that, but anyway, so whenever I say to my friends my favorite isekai is Jobless Reincarnation, Mushoku Tensei, they say, oh come on, watch the beginning after the end guys, like it is better than this or that. So I am excited, I am skeptical, and I am curious how better will it going to be. And Jai Mushoku Tensei still. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next reaction video.